Right, here I am down at the West Bowl, September 11, 2022. We're into the 47th week of major construction. Time now is 6:12 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Just down here checking out place again. Gonna just do basic recon today. I don't think there's a lot to see different, but there's a few things I'll show. Down through here, I think they fixed up the end down there a little bit more. And then if I move on up here to the next level, we can see that they have poured more concrete down through here on this sidewalk. Let me get on out here a little bit farther. Sun's coming up there, but we can see right there, they poured more of the sidewalk and crossed in front of the Performing Arts building, and they're continuing it on out towards the Civic line there. So a little bit more done there. I can't really see too much from here. I'm going to just shoot a little bit of this, and then I'm going to move on around to some other spots where we can see things a little bit better. So I just wanted to shoot this here, and then I'm going to start moving back towards the West Paseo. Alrighty. Right, here I am over by AZ88. As we can see here, they've torn out the sidewalk here and got quite a bit of stuff sort of all torn up through here. So I'll walk in here just a little bit. See, there's a huge root stump right there. It's been torn out. So this is all going to be redone through here. You see over into the what'll be the new bar over here. So I'm just going to shoot a little bit of this. So they have this all torn out through here right up to the bar. And the bar itself is like pretty much stripped out inside there now. Taken some of their interior wall coverings back over here, and so this is getting all fixed up. So just wanted to show this demolished area here. See, this is all torn out now. So gonna keep on moving on around towards the West Paseo here. See what's happening over in the West Paseo. Alrighty, let me get out of here without killing myself. Right, here I am down inside the West Bowl construction site. Came down here just to check out progress on the canopy if I can. You see back over here they've attached more of the struts. So we're moving along on getting the canopy fixed up here. Struts getting fixed up. And like last time I was talking about these crates over here, I believe these crates may contain parts for the canopy, is what I'm thinking now. See up here the canopy itself, or the structure for the canopy that will be attached up here, the bigger canopy sections. Get an idea what this is going to look like. These pieces over here, which I assume somehow are part of the canopy itself. Not really sure how the structure lays out, but getting a good sense of what the canopy will be here. And then there'll be the stage on this side, which I think will be at a somewhat lower level. And then the opposite side, the stage will be at a little bit higher level. You see they're starting to sort of get these things prepped, fixed up, and then eventually they'll pour concrete around these as part of the stage itself. So that's getting done. Back over here, we'll check out this, where they put down some sidewalk over here. Getting this all prepped up. Tilt back up here a little bit. See over here, concrete's getting poured down through here, across in front of the Performing Arts building. Back down that way. So, moving on, so this will eventually connect up with the sidewalk over there, merge with that. You see they got the struts going on around here on this side. So this is what we got down here on the canopy. I'm going to cut this short. I'm not going to do a very extravagant shoot down here today. I just wanted to check on a few things, see how the canopy was coming along. It's looking pretty good. Should be an interesting structure when it's completed. Alrighty, let me finish this up here. And then I'm going to move on around, I think, to the east end and shoot just a little down there. Alrighty. Alright, here I am down back in the West Paseo. Just wanted to show some work they're doing up here. They're starting to fix up this area along in front of the venue building. Sort of replacing what they had before. We've got concrete forms along here. We can see here, and up here. So they're moving towards getting this fixed back up again, put it back into shape, and then maybe they can move their fences off here eventually. But you can see they're working to get this all fixed up through here. So this is starting to take shape, get fixed up. So it's looking good. Getting some done here. So I just want to show a little bit of this. Let me cut this short, and then I'm going to move around to the West Paseo here. I think before I do that though, I'm just going to do kind of a general scan of the area here. It's a little schoolhouse. See how it's looking. This is looking nice. Getting this all fixed up. So I think I'll finish up here and then start moving around to the east end of the project. All right. Right, here I am down at the East Bowl. I'm just checking out the canopy down here. And they're starting to move along and getting this fixed up. They've put more of the larger superstructure pipe into place, and they started putting the struts across on this. So starting to see this take shape down here. I don't really see that much else going on down here of note that I can tell. So I'm just going to shoot a little bit of this. I think I may try to walk on around to the opposite side of the East Bowl here and shoot from over there just to see if there's anything new and different over there. So let me cut this short here, but this is what we got going on here with the East Bowl stage. Alrighty. Alright, here I am down at the end of the East Bowl by 75th Street. I just want to shoot this little wall they have going here. I think they may have added a few more stones to that. Doing a sort of experimenting with how they want it to look, with potentially some kind of light fixture in there. But I just wanted to shoot a little bit of this, keep up with what they're doing. You can see back over here the opposite end of the stage where it'll come out of the ground there and arc around and meet the other part of the stage. So it'll be a big arcing canopy across this stage. So I just want to shoot just a little bit of this. I'm going to walk around a little bit more and then I'll end my day here. Alrighty. Right, here I am down on the south side of the East Bowl, and we can see what the stage looks like from here, how it'll take shape from the perspective of the library. Also, I can see down here they've created more of their concrete walls back through here, which will line where the sidewalk runs down here beside the library. So getting that taken care of. That's a development. So let me stop this. I'm just move up a little bit farther and see if I can see what else they've done up here. Alrighty. Time now is 6:52 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Right here I'm a little bit farther up. We can see the wall that they've created down through here, which will line the sidewalk. If I can sort of shoot back down in here. You can see it goes on down there. Sidewalk will wrap around here. And this will be more of an elevated area up here above the wall. This is what we got going on down here. You can see across the way there the 360-degree stage. The area up here will be the children's playground and a few other area they call the Grove, which will be a shaded area to sit and meditate on the meaning of life. And back over here, just another look at the East Bowl stage, which will be quite a formidable structure down here when they get it completed. So it'll be nice to come down here sometime next year. Maybe they'll have a concert. You can bring your blanket, sit up on the hillside up here and take in a nice concert. So that'll be very nice. All right, time is 6:54 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I think I'm going to just finish up here looking at the stage, East Bowl stage, head back home and see what I got here. Alrighty.